Hey guys, it's Jordan with National Speed, and today we're talking about the latest game-changing product for 6th Gen Camaros, stainless power long tube headers. Now, since 2016, doing a set of high-quality long tube headers on 6th Gen Camaro wasn't exactly a cheap ordeal, with costs running up to as much as $2,800 for the headers alone. Then tack on tax, shipping, supporting components, installation, and tuning, and you could easily be looking at over $4,000 total cost. And this makes perfect sense for a supercharged or a higher output naturally aspirated setup, as this investment offers great returns for power. But given that an otherwise stock Camaro SS typically sees maximum gains of 20 wheel horsepower and 20 pound-feet of torque, the cost is a bit much to stomach for those returns despite how well they make the exhaust sound. And for years, this is just how it was for 6th Gen Camaros. If you wanted headers, you had to pay to play. But fast forward to 2022 and the game's changed. Now, that age-old adage of you get what you pay for oftentimes rings true, especially with aftermarket car parts. But once in a while, cheaper doesn't always mean cheaper. And this is exactly where the Stainless Works stainless power long tube headers come into play. Now, to the point, these headers offer the same great fit, finish, and performance at over half the cost. Alright, so that's obviously a pretty big price difference there. So what's the difference between Stainless Works and stainless power long tube headers? Well, it comes down to three things. One, unlike Stainless Works that's manufactured here in the US and carries a lifetime warranty, Stainless Power is designed in the US but mass-produced overseas and carries a 2-year warranty. 2. Unlike the Stainless Works line that offers diameter options for header primaries, the Stainless Power line is only offered in 1 7/8. And 3. Unlike the Stainless Works line, which supports dozens and dozens of vehicles, the Stainless Power line is limited to only the most popular, now including 6th Gen Camaro. And one other key difference with 6th Gen Camaro in particular is that unlike the Stainless Works headers, which run all the way back to the muffler, the Stainless Power headers connect much further upstream, greatly reducing material cost. Oh yeah, much better sounding now, even with the stock exhaust still in place. Alright, nice bump here with output increasing to 432.53 wheel horsepower and 444.83 pound-feet of torque. That's peak gains of 16.24 wheel horsepower and 10.85 pound-feet of torque, with maximum gains coming in at 19.14 wheel horsepower and 19.14 pound-feet of torque as well. And with additional modifications such as an upgraded camshaft, these headers add much more to the equation. Well guys, there you have it. Stainless power headers for 6th Gen Camaro is one of those rare times where cheaper doesn't mean cheaper. And if you're ready for the stainless power advantage for your Camaro, we're ready to help make it happen. Reach out today to learn more.